What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 kebab gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first kebab gadget I got one of these quick Squirrel Xl. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. So, and simple as that, you put bunch of meat in here, let's say 1, 2, 3 and 4 at the end. Right here a small piece, actually it's also a big piece, no big deal. You want to put meat at the end because it will hold all the vegetables. So then between you can put like a mushroom, then onion, I don't know, maybe some pepper, another pepper, different colors, so it looks beautiful. Obviously onions taste very delicious, so you can stuff it with more onions, and boom. And the whole idea, then you close it and it will hold everything together. And then you stick a squirrel too, and as you can see there is a little hole like that on both sides. I might have missed it, let me try it from this side. Push it too, and this side actually worked better. And then open it, boom. My squirrel is perfect. Let's try to do it with the bamboo stick. Let's see if it actually works the same way. 3 pieces of meat this time because it's pretty huge. Boom. Then you can put a big mushroom somewhere around here. Then obviously stick some vegetables so it looks good. You can even put it on the outside actually too. Right here one right here, so it looks beautiful. Okay, once you stuff it, you want to kind of lock it in and make sure everything stays in there. Push it in and then close it all the way to where this two will close all the way, and then the kebab stick will go through just perfectly. If it's too tight, just loosen it up a little bit and it comes out from this side. Almost perfect, but I'd say it's close enough. Open it, check this out. Perfect kebab right here. Also you can use this kebab gadget without a stick. So let's open it up and see what this thing is all about. I think I'll just put to the test just one of them, and I'll actually cook inside of it. Let's see if it's going to fall out easily or not, all that meat. And so just simple as that, stick a bunch of meat in, fits really good, stuff it. Of course vegetable in the kebabs is the most important. Love onions. So stick another piece of meat. Big chunks will stick in there, no problem too. As you can see, more onions, more vegetables. I think I want a mushroom in here. I like the big mushrooms, everything holds in there really good too. So more vegetables, more onions, very delicious. Different color vegetables, so it looks beautiful. So that's like a lot of meat already. It's already stuffed too much anyways. Boom, and close it. And as you can see, it holds really well. I like that latchet, actually locked up pretty good. And you know it's cool, you can still put to this metal piece just like that all the way through. Went a little bit to the side, but I'm happy with this. To where now you can still lift this up and it'll still stay all together, but I'll cook it inside of this thing. Okay, for the next gadget I got here Easy Kebab Press Set. Let's see how it works. So same thing, you stick a piece of meat in and then a vegetable and stuff like that. This is on the smaller side. As you can see, all my pieces cut up to be much bigger. Another one right here, and maybe one more meat at the end right here too. You know what, first one seems like to be way easier, but anyways, look at that. Then you can close it all and push through at the same time, very fast. Boom, it came out on this side, very good in the middle. I guess the cool part about this, it guides you pretty good, and you can go through and make, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the same time, super quickly. Not too much to the side, okay. Perfect, came out really good on this side again. Okay, now let's lift this up. Lift up the kebabs. You know what? I can't complain. Did super good. Looks like missed an onion. No big deal. Can just put it too. I mean, it's pretty cool gadget, but I think first one was a bit easier because you can put big pieces of meat, small pieces, doesn't matter. Everything will fit. So this one is so to me. For the next gadget, I got here rotated kebab Squirrel Set. Let's see what it's all about. That looks very intriguing and looks pretty awesome. Okay, looks like very simple assembly. Just put it through like that and press it right here and it'll spin. Press it slowly, spin slowly. But first of all, you can get a bunch of meat, put two bigger pieces of meat, but kind of uncomfortable because I have to hold it the whole time, seems like. So something like that. I guess you can put to another kebab skewer down this way, and I guess you put it too like that. Hopefully it don't fall, and then you can hold it and spin it. That's the idea anyways. And I have here one more Kebab Maker, but this one is a little bit different. Comes with the cleaning stuff, so you will need one of these stuffing. And obviously we're going to stick all that meat inside here. This is a different type of kebab, also very delicious. Okay, this thing requires a little bit more attention. You put the stick through like that, and let's see what happens. When we push it down, you need to start coming out the meat from here, and then we'll put this straw in all the way through, and then keep pushing and keep pushing the stick like that. How cool is that? Okay, and whenever I'm happy with that, I guess I can just rip it off like that, and boom. How cool is that? I can't wait to cook it. That gadget actually amazing. I can't believe it actually works so well. Let me pat it down a little bit. Let's do this one more time. Push it through, and then push it down. And that's actually, you don't have to push the stick down. It goes by itself. I dropped it, it stayed together anyways. So I guess I would use a knife to take this away. Looks good. Maybe I can do a little bit longer next time. Wow, I can't believe what an awesome gadget. Push through on this side, and then all I have to do is just push like that down, and look at that. It goes on a stick. Just take it out all the way. Boom. Of course you can make it longer, shorter, depends. Amazing. Okay, now let's cook it all, see how well it's going to work out. Looks like holds it very nice, and I would hold it upside down like that, so that way you can close it. Nice. Then few of these ones. Looks good. I like it. And I guess I'll just do one of these. It's simple, everybody do that already like that. And one of this one, put it like that and rotate it once in a while. It does comes off. Okay, we're gonna close it. Okay, let's see how easy to flip this stuff. Super easy. The sticks usually don't get hot, so very easy to flip as well. Those ones obviously going to cook the fastest. Probably wooden sticks are a little bit better than metal sticks, because I cannot touch this one. I need some kind of spoon. But this one is pretty cool. You put it through, hold it, spin it by pressing this handle, put it back in. Very nice. And then take it off. Pretty much makes sense, right? Easy to take off, easy to flip over. This one's holding up pretty good. You know, it's not about cooking, it's about gadget is working really well, and you know what, I'm happy with that. And you know what, this gadget is pretty cool, but a little bit overkill to spin it over. What do you guys think? Would you use this gadget? So yeah, these things are pretty much done, and you know what, I love every single gadget actually. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to my pet channel, links in description, and I'll see you next time.